Cold open. Did you know bats are the only mammals capable of sustained flight? Yes, that's right, not gliding, but actual flight. Fascinating, isn't it? Bats also have an exceptional sense of hearing. They use echolocation to navigate and find food in the dark. They're not blind, contrary to popular myth, but this ability does give them a big advantage at night. And here's a fun fact. Some species of bats can live for more than 30 years. That's a lot of night flights. Bats, they're full of surprises. Stick around for more intriguing facts about our winged friends.